Hi, I'm Peyton with TigerStop, and today I'm going to show you how to change the blade on your TigerSaw. Depending on your cutting envelope and your blade size, you may need to raise your cap guard resting position. To do that, we're going to turn off the air, and we're going to raise the stop block all the way to the top. Now that we have the stop block raised all the way to the top, we're going to turn the air back on to raise the cap guard. Because we have the main power turned off, that will release the guard latch on our door, allowing us to open the door. We have our front collar tool and our Allen wrench. We're going to line it up on the bottom pin and just rotate the blade until the second pin lines up. And we're going to flip the baffle back to cause tension on our stop tool. Okay, so before we throw on the blade, we want to make sure that the surface of the blade on both sides is nice and clean. And just like on any upcut saw, we want to make sure that the teeth are spinning towards the back fence. We also have it displayed on the outside of the door cabinet on the clear plexi. So we'll throw the blade on. We want to line up with one of the guide pins here, and then we're going to rotate the blade and slide it in place. Once again, we want to make sure it's firmly in place, we don't get any wobble, and we're ready to throw on the front collar. We'll take our two screws. We want to hand thread them a few rotations just to make sure we're not cross threading. We're going to slide the baffle forward so we can put on our locking tool. Rotate the blade. And we want to snug up our screws. Double check. And we want to slide the baffle all the way forward, and we're good to go. Now before we close the door, we want to make sure that our keyway is directly lined up with our guard latch on the bottom. And we'll tighten our locking handle. We want to make sure that it's all the way secure before we can turn the power back on. To verify that our guard latch is properly connected, we want to reset our safety chain. Make sure our safety chain light comes on. If it's on, we're ready to go.